Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making a delicious and creamy cheesy fajita pasta that is packed with flavor and super easy to make. Before starting the recipe, if you are new to our channel, please click on subscribe button. Let's get started. Begin by heating 1/3 cup of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add 400 gram of boneless chicken. Cook the chicken until its color change. Once the color change, add 2 teaspoons of onion powder and 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder. Give it a good mix and cook it for 2 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2.5 teaspoon of paprika powder and 1 tablespoon of oregano. Mix everything together and let it cook for another 2 minutes. After that, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Mix everything well and cook it for a minute. Then add 1 cup of pasta water or plain water. Mix everything well. Add 1 chopped green capsicum and 1 chopped onion. Mix well, cover the pan and cook it for 5 minutes. Once the vegetables are cooked, give it a quick stir and add 2 cups of milk. Cover again and let the sauce cook until it thickens. When it reaches the right consistency, stir in 1 pack of dairy cream, turn off the flame and set the sauce aside. Now in a large pan, add 400 gram of boiled pasta. Pour the cheesy fajita sauce over the pasta. Mix everything together. Finally, sprinkle 1 cup of cheese. Mix well until the cheese melts. And there you have it, creamy and cheesy fajita pasta that is perfect for any meal. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. See you next time.